Hello traders, this is BabarTradesWorld. I just wanted to briefly recap today's trading session. I ended up taking two trades. Both of the trades did not work out as planned, but the plan was to execute if I was going to get stopped out. This is an important video because it highlights the value of being patient, but at the same time understanding that when you are planning certain trades or you're anticipating a move in your favor, it's best to find confirmation. So I was looking at QQQ, which is the NASDAQ ETF. It looked fairly extended, so I thought that at the moment, you know what, I'm going to look at 484.25, this area here, to potentially take an entry. I did decide to take this entry here. However, it did not work out and I got stopped out. You'll see in the live video how I was able to exit. I was risking about 15 cents and that's exactly around the exit that I was able to get, give or take some change. But then I realized, okay, this might be an opportunity coming up here, just around this candle here. But again, I was wrong, so again, I had to take my loss. And I was having a bit of issues with getting the fill. Another important thing is to ensure that you do choose to use a stop market order instead of a limit, because sometimes when you're trying to hit the bid and it's falling, going against you, you may not get filled, and it's exactly what happened. However, sometimes these trades do work out, it's just the wrong timing. So again, I got stopped out right about here. But the real entry was around just under 483.50. And I've marked this in sort of this blue color because this was another support area on a higher time frame. This seemed like a better area where the Qs originally bounced from earlier. So a little bit of a missed opportunity, but at the end of the day, you have to take your loss because not every trade you're going to execute. And these premiums did really great. I mean, I think at one point these premiums were around $1, maybe 80 cents to $1, and they have just worked out. And I didn't take the third entry because typically I'm comfortable with taking two trades, and just did not feel like I was able to gauge this. You may be wondering, you know, why does I decide to go long? It really starts with the daily and another time frame, which is around the 15 minutes. So to start with the daily, just to sort of highlight, I'm going to remove these drawings here. I anticipated that around this 484 level, we may get sort of a possible area to see a bottom and the underlying stock to start moving its way up back into 485, 486. As well on the 15 minute, I've hidden the lines, but I'll show them again. On the 15 minute, you'll also see that this was a great area where the stock previously bounced. I decided that, okay, I'm going to enter here just around this 484.25 level, but it wasn't enough. It needed to go further down before making a move around, and I wasn't planning to stay in for longer than a 2-to-1 ratio or 3-to-1 ratio on the trade. And overall, the stock direction was right, just the timing was off, and you know, sometimes you don't get those opportunities. You just gotta move on to the next day and be alive to trade the next day, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the week. I hope you gained some value from this video, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Let me know what kind of trading patterns you're looking for. Is this part of your playbook? Or is you prefer going long? Are you more on the bearish side? Do you typically buy extended moves or not? Would love to hear your feedback. And on the next video, you're going to see the live trading recap for the second trade, and to sort of see how the trading execution was giving me a little bit of an issue, but eventually I did get out because it's part of the plan. Thanks for watching.